Yeah, hi. Today I'm going to talk about a product that's being released on Muncheye tomorrow, the 16th of July, at a price of $27. It's the software that you see on the screen. It's called Perfect. What's it called again? Oh God. Hi. Today I'm going to talk about something different that's being released on Muncheye on the 16th of this month. It's called Action Profits Pack #1. It's been put together by a guy called Robert Codigan, and basically, in a nutshell, it's simply a way of selling on eBay without having to A, buy a product, or B, use any money whatsoever putting together all the necessary bits and pieces you have to do when you're selling something which is basically on the internet that's not solid, if you know what I mean. You sell it out of the internet and you can sell it again and again and again. Now, the best place to do this sort of thing is on eBay, and Robert Codigan has for a few years been operating a very simple eBay business. He believes that it's one of the easiest businesses to start and profit from, right out of the stalls. So why is it so easy to operate? It's easy because it costs pennies, no investment in buying products, no stock to keep, selling the same product over and over again without spending a penny. And the best bit is, it's all profit. After you paid $27, that is, of course. So what's it all about? It's called, like I said, Auction Profit Package #1. These are real. Robert is first to admit that he only makes a few $100s a month from this business, but he says that what you could do with a few extra $100 a month. Right, hi, it's Tommy Stewart. I'm talking today about a piece of software that's been put together by a guy called Robert Codigan. It's simply called Action Profits Pack #1. It's on the screen, as you can see. And fundamentally, it's just simply a way by which you can trade on eBay with the same items over and over and over again. And these items have been created by Robert Codigan, and they just keep on selling it and bringing you in the money. Let me ask you a question. Where is the best place to start making your first dollar online? And that has to be eBay. The problem that so many people have is finding a profitable niche, sourcing the stock, and then hoping that the stock will sell. Shelling out money to invest in stock is a bit of a punt, just hoping that you will find the right product and make a profit. For many people, this is a lot of money to gamble, and so hopes are dashed when they simply just give out running their own business. Serial eBay entrepreneur Robert Codigan has for a few years been operating a very simple eBay business. He believes that it's one of the easiest businesses to start and profit right from the stalls. So why is it so easy to operate? It costs pennies to operate, no investment in buying products, no stock to keep, sell the same product over and over and over again without spending any more money. And the best bit is it's 100% profit. This is what Action Profit Pack number 1 is all about. Now, Robert is the first to admit that he only makes a few $100s a month from this business. But he says that what you could do with a few $100 extra per month is you could buy a car. A few $100 extra a month, pay for your car, pay for your mortgage. Yes. The thing is, you can make a lot more than a few $100s a month. It really depends on, you could advertise on other places on the internet, not just eBay. Amazon, you could advertise on Amazon, and there are some other places I'm sure where you could advertise as well. Robert, he spent 2 years refining this business, and he's literally giving it to you on a plate. Dead easy. Now you could source and produce yourself a product. Oh God Almighty. Hi, I'm talking today about a piece of software simply known as Hi, it's Tommy Stewart, and today I'm talking about a piece of software known as Action Profits Pack number 1. This is something very, very different being put out from Munchai on the 17th. I'm telling a lie, the 16th of July. This will be available to the public at $27. Basically, putting it into a nutshell, it's a business that's been put together by a guy called Robert Corrigan, who's been selling these products on eBay for the past 2 years now. And the products which he has, he spent quite a bit of money putting this together, by the way, with various artists to add to, graphic artists and the sort of stuff you have to spend money on to put together anything that's graphic or origin on the internet. Anyway, let me ask you a question. Where is the best place to start to make your first dollar online, would you say? And the answer simply has to be eBay. The serious problem is finding a niche and hoping that the stock you have bought and have to buy will sell. Now, with shelling out money to invest in stock, it's a bit of a punt, but just hoping that you will find the right product and make a profit. Well, for many people, this is a lot of money and a bit of a gamble. And so if they don't make a profit first go, then that's it though. They give up, just to stop. I mean, it's not so bad with this product which is available here now, because Robert Corrigan has for a few years been operating it, and he believes that it's one of the easiest businesses to start and profit right out of the stalls. No problem whatsoever. It costs pennies to operate. There's no stock to keep. Sell the same products over and over again, and it's all 100% profit. So there you go. Robert has 2 years, been doing this for 2 years now, And when you spend your $27, you get 5 software products, Windows or Mac or OS X if available, complete title and description, simply copy and paste. Unique high quality product graphics specially made for each product. All images in the listing hosted for you. Over the shoulder videos showing you exactly how to list the software. Not that you really need them. By the way, the selling price is up to you. There's no specific selling price. He hasn't mentioned one. Only that you have to pay $27 initially up front, and that's it. There is, I do believe there is an OTO, and I think that's $10. And if you go for that, it's adds a little bit more brevity into how to sell, where to sell, stuff like that. Very simple. Oh, also there's two free bonuses if you buy this, and if you do buy it, I will add 2 more into it, 2 unique bonuses into this myself. If you look below, you will see my website. Click on it, and it will take you to where you can see what the bonuses are and any other bits of information that are available. And that's it. Not a lot to it. Nice and simple. Set it up in half an hour and let it run forever thereafter, bringing you in about $500–600 a month. Not bad. Thank you. Bye bye.